to Agri Smart number 1. I am your host, Farmer Spence. Well, today we will talk about the treatment and why the scotch bonnet pepper deform like this and why it not stay like this one. Alright. Sometime as farmer, we may want to cut our expense. So we want to plant some scotch bonnet pepper. So we went to the market. We saw ladies selling scotch bonnet pepper. So we go to the lady, buy some scotch bonnet pepper. After we buy some scotch bonnet pepper, we come at our home, nursery, whatever, and we cut out the seed. After we cut out the seed, we put it to dry. After I see it dry, we sow it in our various seed tray or seed bed. And after the seed maybe reach 6 to 8 weeks, we transplant it in the field. And when the tree reach this stage, 5 to 6 months, when we as farmers should benefit off of the tree. Get a close look. If you notice, the plant, the leaf of the plant in excellent shape, but something wrong with this fruit. The fruit deform. What caused the fruit to deform? We need to find out what caused the fruit to deform. But remember that I just said where I get the seed from. I get the seed from the market, from the higgler. And if you check back, I don't know which farm the higgler get the fruit from that I buy from her at the market. But my plant reach 5 months, and this is what happened to me. I want to find out really what caused this. What caused my plant to deform and don't look like this. And the leaf still in good condition. Yes, I'm here that when we as farmers are buying seed, we go the cheaper way. Yes, we want to save costs. But in the long run, this is what happened to us. This is what happened to us. Our fruit started to the farm, so we started to get frustrated by the scotch bonnet reach this size, and we know that we have 1 acre, 2 acre, and 5 months. When maybe you should trying to exceed over here, you most likely nobody not going to buy this deformed pepper from you anymore. So basically, the best thing for you now is to cut down all of this tree. 1 acre, 2 acre or more. Well, farmer, I have good news to tell you today. Farmer, when you are selecting seed or seedling, you need to buy from reputable source. What I mean? Yes, you can buy from farmer, but you need to know that farmer know where the seed are coming from or the seedling are coming from. If not, you are going to find yourself in this trouble at all time. When your fruit, when it reach 5 months, it's going to look like this. You don't want your fruit to look like this condition. Right? And this condition is very bad for business. So basically, yes. And sometimes we as farmers cause it also. We do not do a proper hygiene in our nursery. So you find out that the pests that affect this fruit called broad mite, uh, and it also causes the fruit to deform. And it can it can start from seedling. And it also we talk about the seed, where the seed are coming from. That's why person who in the field, extension Africa, extension officer will tell you that when you are selecting seed, you should pick from your first fruit or your second fruit. You should not wait and maybe plenty fruit. Make sure that you pick from your first fruit when you are selecting your seed. Alright. When you look on seedling now, if you do not have a high hygiene in a nursery, you're going to find out that broad mite, spider mite are going to affect your pepper plant. Alright? You cannot see the mite with your naked eye. For you to see the mite, you need to have a microscope. The mite are very small. Come from the ticks and the lice family and the spider family also. And also we are going to talk about the treatment, what we should treat the broad mite with further down. Alright? Pepper is a long-term business that always give us money in our pockets weekly. Alright? So as farmer, you need to buy your seedling from a reputable source, buy your seed from a reputable source. And when you see your plant, you need to treat your plant with Verti, Mec, Pegasus, or Top Cups. You don't want to use one insecticide and these, or one pesticide and these pests. You need to rotate your pesticide. You don't want the pest to develop resistance to these pesticides. You need to make sure that you rotate it. But as farmer, if we take our hygiene properly, if we have a nursery, clean, spray with pesticide regular, do whatever necessary to keep your hygiene up to top class in a nursery. Alright. As farmer, we need to recommend to buy your seedling maybe from Rada and other person who have a proper hygiene. You don't want when you should be making money by the next 6 to 7 months. Your pepper started to deform. You want your pepper to look like this. In this condition, that is the way you want your pepper to look. You don't want your pepper to look like this. Nobody wants this to buy. Nobody. Nobody wants these things to buy. So you want to make sure that your pepper in good condition. touch that notification for me. Touch it. Thank you for watching this video. Subscribe to my channel and look out for more video like this. Thank you for watching my channel. Thank you very much. And look out for the next video.